Warm welcome to the SPMS Europe 2018. On my side is Stefano.
Yeah.
Please introduce yourself and what is your professional background?
My name is Stefan Cortiglioni and I'm a mechanical engineer. So I started to work with Toyota in 2005 and so I led the transformation of the two Italian plants from a local organization to Toyota Production System Organization. So my background is mainly on operation and so I visit many times Japan and thanks to Japanese colleagues support me to this change.
Please briefly describe your topic and of your presentation tomorrow.
We speak about digitalization, and so everybody thinks about the world about managed by robot and computer. But despite this important revolution in Toyota, we believe the human are at the center of in any kind of change. And so we continue to support people engagement and utilize people idea just to support any kind of change. And so we try to move from man power to mind power.
How will it be structured? Because everybody is talking about the demographic change in the manufacturing side. So how will Toyota do this?
We utilize many different tools. Of course, TPS is based on people engagement, and what is the pillar of TPS is Jidoka and just-in-time. And so we promote and we utilize the experience of the people just to improve day by day our daily job. And so, for example, one pillar is visualization. And so the plant should be visible, all information should be visible just to share with everybody which are the target and the current state, compare the target, and everybody can support the target with own idea.
This is the future. What is your experience about the past? How has manufacturing changed in the past few years?
The manufacturing has changed a lot because due to the globalization, we have to manage a very difficult situation in terms of labor costs, mainly in Europe. And so we have to guarantee the future, manufacturing future in Europe, we have to compensate the labor cost with other efficiency. And so we work a lot of inventory, just to reduce the inventory, to improve efficiency in any kind of situation, and try to look for any kind of waste. This is a compensation just to labor cost, high labor cost, okay, should be compensated with less inefficiency inside the plant.
The Industry 4.0 and IoT, you already built in Toyota and...
Yeah. We strongly believe that before speak about digitalization, we have to transform in lean. If you know very well your process, you have a very lean process, then you can transform your process in a digital process. But if you don't do this kind of step, the risk is you digitalize also the waste. And so sometimes it's not easy to find the waste when it's a digital world. And so the first step is before digitalization is to understand your process, make your process efficient, and then you start to think about how you can digitalize some process.
For your workforce, have the profile of your employees already changed, or is this starting to change?
We think in a different way. We want to train our people just to be ready to manage the digitalization. Because if we change or we're looking for a new competence, the risk is we lost the experience. And so with current experience, we want to build the technology know-how on the current experience of our people. And so we think about how to train them.
What projects are you currently involved in?
Now Toyota starts to have a consulting division, and so I'm part of the new Toyota Lean Academy consulting division, and so we want to have to become a partner of our customer, just not provide just a solution like a product, but also solution like an idea. And so our experience will be available for each customer, just support the lean transformation and then the digitalization.
How do you see the future of manufacturing?
The future of manufacturing will see that some companies have to rethink about the manufacturing area, just to look for how to gain efficiency, just to survive in the future. And so everybody has to think about manufacturing as a good know-how, where people and asset of the company can merge together for the company survive.
Thank you for your insights of your presentation tomorrow and the short interview, and I wish you a lot of fun in the next 2 days.
Thank you.